Hey everyone, so today we will be doing an unboxing of the Lace Whimsy Whimsybox. I'm super excited about this one. The theme for this is like a magical unicorn, which I think is just so cute. So, as you can see, she's got the box decorated, magic, little unicorns, all that cute stuff. So let's break her open and see what's inside. So here we have got a little envelope with a seal on it that matches the theme. I love that pretty purple that she used. Little Lace and Whimsy business card. Ooh, look at the colors in here. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited about this box because there are a few new things in here. So, if you have never seen one of my unboxing videos, I take everything piece by piece and we go through it all. So if you would like to see what's in this month's Lace and Whimsy Whimsybox, keep watching. So, I'm going to set this to the side and let's see what's in here. Actually, I think I'm just gonna cut this on the top here. That way I don't ruin that beautiful wax seal she's got. Okay. So, like I said, it says magic is real, and inside we have got two of these. Oh, look at that. Hand-drawn collection inspired by unicorns. And that's everything in there. And then here we've got this. Very cool. That's super cool. I'm definitely going to be using this in a setup. That is awesome. So here it looks like she has got contents, which is pretty new. So that's really cool. So I'm going to set that up there. That way we can look at everything piece by piece. So here we've got the sticker set. Cosmic unicorns. And as always, they are on this really nice matte paper. It's very smooth. That way, if you want to write on it, you absolutely can. But typically, I have found her stuff to be a little bit more decorative. But I do see she has some functionals here, which is really cool. So we've got the unicorns, magic is real. Looks like a little washi strip or a header, moon phases, and some functional stickers. And then she has all of the astrological signs on this folded piece of paper. So actually, just looking at this, here is my astrological sign and my moon sign, and I believe this one is my rising, I think. But anyway, so pretty. I actually really love the Scorpio one. I think that one's really cute, and the Pisces is cute too. They're all really cute. And then here we've got the constellations along with the zodiac signs. And then another sheet of the Cosmic Unicorn stickers. So those are really cool. And then I dropped one. So let me see if I can pick this up without knocking everything. There we go. And we've got another one that has all of the days of the week, which is really handy. I love date covers. So you've got 1, 2, 3 full-size sheets, and then this one that folds, and then a little header set, so that's very different from previous boxes that I have gotten, which this is only the third one. So anyway, all right. And in this, we've got the holographic sticker, which is the Cancer unicorn, and it's actually one of my favorites because I love the little moon on its booty. So that's very pretty, nice, glossy, holographic. Oh, so pretty. And then here we have got a vinyl sticker pack, which is really cool. And this comes with 4. So we've got the unicorn. And I'll definitely keep this for future setups. And then we've got 3 more here. So one says "You're So Magical." And then this one is the Lovers. And then a smaller little unicorn. Oh, I love this box. I love it. Let's see. And then this must be the Cosmic Unicorns mini art print. Ooh, I love that paper. That paper is nice. So it's kind of got a suede-ish feel to it. Thick cardstock. That's really, really nice. Definitely have to put that in somewhere. And then we've got the ephemera pack. And this is the Love is Magical ephemera pack. So let's see what we've got here. Got some little unicorns. Different little colorways. I love the colors that she used, like the muted cool tones. Those are my favorite for pastels. Little lover's card. And then another lover's card. And another lover's card. That one's really cool. Looks very vintage. And then another little unicorn next to the moon. And then the coolest thing I think that she included is the 40-page dot grid notebook. I love this. It is an A5 size, and I think the first time she has ever done something like this. So if you wanted to try your hand at bullet journaling, you definitely could with this. So it's got the unicorn on the front. Really nice. It's folded into kind of a square shape, and then it's glued. And I love the cover. It's very glossy. Oh, that's cute. Here's the introductory page where you can put "This notebook belongs to you." And look at the paper. It's got the little stars on the bottom. So the paper feels really nice. It is a bright white. I'm not entirely sure what the paper weight is, but I would say that it is less than 32 pounds, I believe. But feels very smooth. I think it would be really good quality. May not be able to hold watercolor, but I'm unsure with that. But nonetheless, let's do a little pen test in here. I love the binding that she used. That's really nice. So let me take one of my microns, because if anything's going to bleed through, it's probably going to be this one. Let's see. So actually it's a lot better than I kind of expected it to be. So there is a little bit of slight ghosting, but no bleed through. Let me try a flare. And then just for kicks, let's try a Tombow. And then I will also do a little swatch on there. Okay, so let's see how those held up. No bleed through, little bit of ghosting. So here where that Tombow is, where I put a little bit more pressure, you can see that it is trying to bleed through, but the ghosting is actually not just super apparent. I would say that this might be about on par, or actually a little bit better, to be honest, than a Leuchtturm. Because to me, I know Leuchtturm is one of the most popular bullet journals, but to me it ghosts so bad. So this held up really well in my opinion. So very good choice for this. This will be super cute in a traveler's notebook, which I will probably end up doing because it's 40 pages and I just think it'd be really cute to fill up. So yeah. That is everything for this month's Lace and Whimsy box. Super excited about this one. I ended up using all of last month's Whimsy box. I think I may have a few stickers left and of course the ephemera and stuff, but most everything I used. So I cannot wait to use this because I really like astrology and galaxy and all that kind of stuff, and I think it'd be really fun to use that. So I've got some oracle cards coming in. I have never really dabbled into that part, so I may do like an Amazon unboxing, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I think all of that stuff is coming in tomorrow. It's a couple of books and then some oracle cards. So anyway, let me know what you think about this month's box. I think this box is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love the pastel colors that she used. I love that, you know, she put so much thought into each one of these unicorns. If you follow her on Instagram, she was giving like previews and everything of each one of the astrological signs, and they're all just really beautiful. So I thought that was a really cool concept for her to come up with. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe because I do a lot of unboxings on here because I love getting stuff. So anyway, thank you again, and I will talk to you soon. Bye everybody.